So here, what we are going to do is we are going to automate a form. Okay. Automate a form means like usually the registration form, the login form, those type of form. Okay. Just for an idea, I'm showing you what exactly we are going to do here is. This is our website. Let me remove this from the beginning. Now here, you see this form.
Yes.
So this is basically a normal form usually you'll come across. Okay, you can say a registration form or whatever form you to apply. You'll find this usually in most of the website. Okay, now here we have different sections. Like we have one of the section as name, other one as email, the next one as website, and the last one as comment. Okay. Now if I ask you to fill these details manually, how will you do?
Enter
If I
your name,
Will
Yeah,
email, and
just you will go enter the name. It's like in the name section you
yeah.
will enter whatever the name is. Like you'll enter the name. Again, you'll enter the email address. Just I'm assuming an email address. Yeah, this one. Okay. You'll enter the website and the last one is great.
mm,
Yeah.
These details feed it, and straight away you'll click the send button. Is it?
mhm,
And you see these details are passed. Now this what you have done. This you have done manually. Is it?
yeah.
Now the
Right.
same thing if I ask you to do through automation, how you will do? So for automation, first first thing that you need to know here is that the first thing basically the first topic or the first thing that you need to know basically that will help you to connect to like basically that will help you to connect to uh, the website elements. Okay, so the first thing is locators. Okay, so there are different types of locator in Selenium. Okay, uh, do I open the notepad?
Yeah, it's out there.
Yeah, it's here. So there are now I'm writing for Selenium. Okay,
mm,
so in Selenium, you have different types of locators. That's the first thing you need to know. Locators. So the different types of locators are ID, and you need to remember this, okay? And don't worry, when you will try do this regularly, basically you will come into practice. ID name, class name, okay? After that, XPath, and then you have tag name. Got it? And one more you have as link text. Now these are the different and these are the different types of locators, okay? Cool. Now in the website, now you see to connect to any element in the web page, okay? This is our web page, okay? And to
mm,
connect to any element in web page, what you need to do is you need to locate these elements. Now, how to locate these elements? So to locate these elements, you will go to that particular section. This is the box where you have to send the value, is it? This
mhm,
is the input box, is it?
mm,
Right.
So here, what you have to do is just go to this name, go to this box, input box, right click over here, okay?
mhm.
And from there, inspect. Again,
Oh,
just to check. Go to this input box. You see this input box?
mhm.
Go to this,
Right.
right click here, and then go to
Inspect.
inspect. Now, when you do this, then in that case, you will find this highlighted section. You see this? This is the highlighted section for this. Okay,
Okay.
clear? This is the highlighted section. Now, from this highlighted section, you have to look for any one of these locators.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
out of these 6 locators, you have to look for any one of them. Okay, in fact, not for next 6. Out of these 3 locators, okay, you have to look
Mhm.
for any one of them. These
Okay.
3 are not basically found. We have to write for it. Okay,
Mhm.
so out of these 3, remember ID, name, and class name. You have to look for any one of the locators. Okay, now,
Okay.
Name is there.
sorry,
Name is there.
name is there exactly. So you have one of the locator available, that is name. Is it?
Yeah.
So you have the name locator. Okay, so that means this will help you to identify this name field. Okay, now get to your Eclipse. Now in beginning, I informed, like in beginning I said that just a second. Okay, so here now, you know that browser object is the one that will help us to move to different sections of the basically to perform any task in the website. We need this browser object because that's the object for Chrome driver, is it? Now using this browser object, I'll call a method. You see, now this is how we will locate that element. Okay, you need to remember, and don't worry, you will try this thing multiple times, so this will become to your habit. Okay, so
Mhm.
first I write browser object dot find element, that is this. Okay, and in this find element inside the bracket, you need to take a class, that's by class, and these find element, method, by class, these all are defined in Selenium. Okay, so it's not that I'm writing something new, it's all from Selenium, and basically these are the methods that help you to locate the elements. So after find element, by dot, now which locator you found there? Name.
Name.
So I'll write
Name.
n. You see, when I write n, by default in hint you find this name, is it?
Mhm.
So just press enter. Okay,
Mhm.
and the name is here. Now give double quotes, get back here, copy the value, the same value as it's mentioned inside the double quotes. Okay, don't write anything else, just copy the same value.
Name equal name. This
Yeah,
one.
so copy this name, just
Mhm.
click on this word and this will highlight it over it. Okay,
Mhm.
copy this, get back here, paste it here. Okay,
Okay.
now I give dot. Now this method is important to send any values to the input tag. You will use send keys method. Okay, and in this send keys method, pass the value that you want to pass it over there. Save this, run this, and just check. What's happening? Why is it opening the Amazon one every time? Oh, the website link is Amazon. Sorry, sorry. Now you see what mistake I did here is I was here in get method, I put the Amazon link. Is it?
Yeah.
Yes.
So it's opening the Amazon website. I have to change the website link as well. Okay. This is my
Mhm.
website link. So I'll copy this
Mhm.
and I'll paste it here.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
It's
And give
always
it.
gonna the browser object that gets, it's gonna get you what you enter. If you enter Amazon, it's gonna give you Amazon.
Amazon.
Okay, got it.
Now let me run this.
Yeah, you got it.
Got it?
Yeah.
So few things you have to remember here is what are those few things? First is that to locate this element, you will use first browser object dot, you'll write this way, browser object dot find elements. Okay,
Right.
find element is a common method that's basically used to find element. Okay, now inside this find element you'll write by dot name, because you identified here the locator as name. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
so dot name, and then you took the value from there, and to send values to those input box you will use send keys. Got it?
Send keys. Okay.
Now this one, just you can close this. See, don't locate in this, because this is, you see, always check which browser you are using. This one is Chrome, is being controlled by automated test software. Okay, Chrome is being controlled by automated software. Okay,
Mhm.
so you will not use this. In fact, you will use your real Chrome browser, this one. Clear?
Sorry, what did you just say? Can you
You will
please?
not use the Chrome driver, you will use the Chrome browser every time. Okay,
But why?
see, in Chrome driver, that's basically the one that's provided by the driver team. Okay, it's for the driver purpose. Okay, that's for testing purpose,
Right.
and this is the real time. So if you want to locate elements, you will locate it here, not in the testing field. Okay,
Okay. But when we are running that program, so but that was in that Chrome driver, right?
yeah, the output you will get in Chrome driver. Okay, the output you will get in Chrome driver, I said, like, once the Chrome driver is opened. Okay, just you talk about this. Okay, so when you open
Yes.
this, this is your Chrome driver. Okay, now if you are going
Right.
for another element, don't inspect here. Okay,
Oh, okay.
I
Okay.
got it.
inspect
Go back to
inspect in the Google
the
Chrome.
main.
Yeah,
Okay.
Got it. Yeah. Makes
This
sense.
page gives you only the results,
exactly, that page only we use it for result and nothing else.
to see, yeah, what you expect. Yeah.
Exactly. Clear?
Yeah.
Every
Good.
time go back and test in the main page, and you check in
Exactly.
the window that just popped up to check if your test went through, and keep back to here to test the next step,
Yeah,
or the
so just
next
like for email, you see, for email, if I go for email, I go here, I right click here, and I do inspect. Okay,
expect.
so this will give me the highlighted section for this email.
Here
Okay,
you have email.
now when you come for this email,
But it's giving ID also, right?
exactly, if you have two locators, then in that case it's your choice which locator you want to go for. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
And there is any priority for
no
which one?
priority, no priority.
We
Just you
pick
can
any
go for,
one,
yeah, you can pick any one of that. You can pick ID, you can pick name, whatever you like.
same result. It's gonna lead us to the same result.
Same result. Exactly.
Okay.
And it was showing a pop-up something on that email. What was that? What is that?
Where where is that pop up? Here you're talking about?
Yeah, just do that right click, that inspect. Yeah, inspect.
Yeah.
And now it's not coming. It was there something in this email field. In the blue, it was showing some text and there's some numbers were there.
Here
Now it's input.
that's
Yeah.
basically, you see, when you design in front end, okay? That's basically it's some data that's passed, okay? So don't worry, that's not of our need. That's for the
Okay.
like for the developer they design, so that informations are available. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So now we are for email, okay? Again, we have the name locator. So what we are going to do here is we are going to
Browse
write browser object dot
dot
find
find
element
element by
by
name.
dot name. See how easy it
Name,
is. Go,
name is
give double quotes again. Again, go to name.
email. Email.
Yeah. So I don't type. I just go and copy it from here. Okay. copy,
Okay.
paste it here. Okay.
Dot send
Dot
keys.
send keys. And in
The email
this
ID.
email ID, whichever email ID you want to, just I'm giving a random email ID. Okay.
Right. Yeah.
Cool. Sonika, same way do for the next one. Try.
Okay.
Let's see.
Okay. So website, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Inspect. I'll go with again name
Again,
website.
name, you have that option. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Can we
Right.
do
F.
copy
Yeah, you see,
paste
there is,
and
it's in hint. It's in hint. Just you write, no need to type the complete thing. Just you'll find it in hint. That's why I made you to write. Just press enter. So it's there. Remove that null from there. Write by dot.
mail.
Yeah, take it from hint. No need to type. Just press enter. Once that thing is visible in hint, just take it from there. Remove that
Okay.
null. Yeah, again give double quotes there.
Okay. And it was website,
back and
I guess.
For
copy
every value, you will have double quotes. So it's better you give the double quotes from beforehand and just go and copy.
the website.
Yeah, cool. At the end of bracket, write again send, enter.
Just hit enter.
Remove args, give double quotes, and write the website link. Just give the website link as www.itlearn360.com. And semicolon at the end. Now, Amal would be thinking, why to write this line again and again? Why don't we copy and paste it straight away here? Is it?
Yeah, yeah, and change
Right.
only.
Yeah,
Yes,
exactly. I was just thinking that you would be thinking this. Why to write? Why to type every time? Why not copy and paste it straight away? See,
and change only
exact the value which you want.
the locators
Exactly.
and the message, the send keys that you want to send. Yeah, why?
So that's a good thing, but I would suggest as beginner avoid doing
For the
this.
for the practice.
Exactly.
So
Avoid
can
doing
I?
this.
Okay, I got it. To
Mm,
remember it. In
exactly. So
case
this
you
will
want to do it yourself, you have it in your mind. You're gonna remember what you
exactly.
have. Okay, but
Right.
it's possible.
It's possible. It's obviously, see, usually as a tester or developer, when we write codes, right now you are writing just 5 lines, 6 lines of code, okay? But in future you'll be writing maybe 50 lines of code, maybe it's 60 lines of code. So it's too many
Yeah,
lines of code. So who is going to type everything? It's better, why don't I, if I have things, I copy and paste it just to save time. So once you are like familiar with it, once you are, quite when you are known to these things, then there you can do it. Right now, maybe you'll doing that thing, but still you miss something, then it's that like it will look to you that everything is fine but still there will be some error, okay? So that's why I'm saying in the beginning just make a habit to type. Once we are quite familiar to it, just do copy and paste, okay?
and use the shortcut that make
Exactly.
it easy and
Yeah, you can do that.
efficient.
Obviously.
Like because sometimes when you see like a programmer like typing a code, you think that he has like fire in his like fingers, but it's not. It's just shortcut. He's normal typer, you know.
See, if things are feeded in your mind, this
Yeah.
thing while you'll be typing it will be fire in your hand. So if you will write the same thing, once it's feeded in your mind, when next time when you will be typing, instead of copying, you'd be saying, "I'll do it faster than that." Who is going to go copy again, paste it? In fact, I'll type in that spam of time. You understand?
Yeah.
So
Got it.
it's like when we type it very fast. Why? Because it's like we have learned it. It's like that. It's set in our mind that I have to write this. So
Repetition
I type
make
it
it
very
like
fast.
you keep repeating the same thing, so it
Exactly,
will
and so it comes
become
like
like
And then also I keep writing codes. I have written lots of codes, like I have not counted how much of codes, but I've written too much of projects I've worked on. It's like I can talk in like when I'm sleeping, I can talk in that time as well. It's like that. So it's so that's once through practice. That's why I tell you that do type it, because in beginning I did that way. It's like I tabbed, I got familiar to it, and now I'm enjoying. Get
Okay.
it?
Okay.
Cool. Do the same one for the last one, the comment section.
Oh, okay. You want me to do it?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
When you go.
And also
Again,
you'll get
name.
yeah, name again, name. And also you'll get familiar to Eclipse. It's like you're using it for first time.
Right.
See, now I'm able to understand you people. So I was knowing that Amal would be thinking this. I've got so familiar, like
What was that?
it was comment.
Comment.
But you said here she should like copy paste it.
Oh,
She
that's a
should
good
type.
practice. Exactly.
Right,
Some
right.
cases, like
Yeah.
right now, you find it easy, you type it, but in some cases, you'll figure it out that a word in middle is in capital, and you didn't notice that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
it's
better.
better to copy paste.
Exactly,
Yeah.
that's what I say. And you'll come across this, like one of the code, you'll find that, and there you'll
I
feel
hope.
like, oh, it's better if I have copied, because you'll not figure it out whether it was in small or it was in caps.
Right, right. Okay, what was that?
And enter.
The comment.
First what? First whatever.
Tests or yeah. Do it as a test.
Okay, great. Now till here it's fine. Okay, this was like sending the values. Now comes what? Now comes the button, login button, send button. Go back to the website. Manually, when we did this, it was like after feeding values to all of these fields, at the end I click the send button. Is it?
What about this choosing options?
Don't worry, we'll come to that. That needs
Okay,
extra attention.
okay,
Okay. Right now I'm just focused on this input boxes. Okay.
okay.
So yeah, after this, manually when we are doing, we first feed it the values and then we click the send button. Is it?
Right.
So you have to do through automation. You have to do the same thing. You have to click on the
Send.
exactly. Go to the send key,
Okay.
right click,
Right.
inspect. Follow the same step. Everything will be same. Just the last method where you were using send keys, that will change to click method.
Okay. So here also name.
Yeah, you can take
Right.
name. Right now you are familiar with that, so you can take that.
Because ID is not there and class name. So
You
class
are
name
not
and
familiar.
class is the same?
Yeah,
No.
it's same, but we'll talk about this later. Okay, at right time.
Okay. Okay. Name.
Yeah, right now let's focus on name. We'll go through all of those locators, and you'll get to know that why I said like why I didn't use it before, why I used it at that point. You'll get that idea. Don't worry. I want to bring
Okay.
these things in such a way that you remember longer. Okay.
Yeah.
Now you see, you didn't took it from comment. So what happens? That brackets and all are missing. Is it?
What?
This thing by dot name. You didn't take
Mm-hmm.
this through comment.
Okay.
So that's why that brackets were not available. Now give that bracket by yourself.
Right, right. Okay.
So that's why make a habit that you take this thing from comment part. No
To
need to
use
type
them.
it.
Yeah. Instead of typing it, hit enter when you start to see it.
Exactly. So that will be
Right.
easy for you. At this point
When
now
you
you'll be confusing. Yeah, bye
no,
bye bye. Just write bye dot. And that thing will be available to you after dot. Okay?
by
Okay.
Dot.
dot,
Now
hit
write
enter.
name, write
Ah,
name.
yeah.
No, it's something else.
N name.
It's the same thing now.
Name. Yeah, give that bracket. Yeah, and give double quotes.
Has
Now
more
you see what happened here is,
she has a lot of
One extra, one extra.
should to remove one path.
yes, you
It's
have to remove
already
one. See, because you missed once.
Right. Now, it's not a send key, right?
Yeah, now here you'll be using dot click method.
Click.
click
No, again do remove that word click.
send key
Remove that
or
dot as well and give dot and give use that click method.
Click
yeah.
wait.
Yeah,
Yes. Enter. Mm. And now you so in
give
here what
semicolon there.
There's nothing in the bracket.
No, nothing in the bracket. Just after the bracket, give semicolon.
Okay.
semicolon inside it.
Saved and run this. Now you see all the values are part name, email, website, comment. You see?
Right.
So here for send button, what we did for send button, can we do the same for login button?
For
Is the
every
same?
button, the buttons
Yeah.
like for every button,
We
like
use
any
the same
button or any click you come across, you'll be using the click method. So in
click
any
method.
website, if you come across a click, that will give you, you have to use the click method.
Yeah,
Okay,
right. If you have to do click, use the click method.
exactly. So that thing you have to go by default. Like, okay, if it's click, then it will use the click method. Okay.
Okay.
Right.
I hope this code is good.
Yeah.
Okay. We have started well. We'll continue with next program and with more
Okay.
speed. Like it's the first class, so I'm going a bit slow. Okay. But first time we are going through Selenium. So I'm going a bit slow. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool. Cool. See you then on Thursday, 11 a.m.
Yeah,
See
say
you.
11.
Sure.
Okay.
See
Take
you.
care.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
You too. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye. Take care.
You too. Bye.